The JBL Wave Buds 2 arrived with strong promises: noise cancellation, battery for days, and improved microphones, all in an entry-level earbud. But is it really the best value in its category? I spent the last few weeks testing this earbud in all possible scenarios, and in this video I'll show you all the strengths, the weaknesses, and tell you if it's worth investing your money in it. Let's find out together. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to aceongears. Let's find out if this is the right earbud for you. And as always, all the links I mention will be down below. Just to keep you know, they are affiliate links, so if you decide to buy through one of them, it's the best way to support the channel. But rest assured that they absolutely no impact on my honest opinion. First, the main question: is it worth it compared to the previous version? If you find the first model for half the price, it's still a good option. But the improvements of the Wave Buds 2 are so significant that, in my opinion, the investment is worth it. The old model costs between $27 and $36, while the new version is between $45 and $63. Even with the difference, the upgrades compensate. And what upgrades are these? To start, it's 8 more hours of battery, a 25% increase. But the main difference is the active noise cancellation. The ear tips already isolate the sound well passively, but with the active mode, the immersion is much greater. The call quality has also leveled up, going from 2 to 4 microphones, which greatly improves your voice pickup. Finally, charging is 50% faster. 10 minutes plugged in now guarantee 3 hours of use instead of 2. Speaking of the design, the set is lightweight and compact. The case weighs about 40 grams and each earbud, at 4.7 grams, is average for the market. The design is open with strong magnets, and the porous material is great for not accumulating fingerprints or scratches. Internally, the 8mm driver remains the same, which explains why the bass sound quality hasn't had any major leaps. As for the microphones, the audio capture is average, but functional for day-to-day calls and meetings. The quality of your voice will be decent for those listening to you, but also know that it does not have noise cancellation for the microphone, so noises like wind are not filtered. Still, it is a very acceptable set for the category. But not everything is perfect. A weak point is the case's battery indicator. There is no way to know the exact percentage. You depend on an LED light that changes color, which is very imprecise. Another flaw is that it is not possible to turn on the earbuds without using the case. If you turn them off through the app, you will have to put them away and take them out again to turn them back on, something that many competitors have already solved. A positive point worth mentioning is the JBL Headphones app. Besides controlling the equalizer, it adds very useful features such as the ambient aware and TalkThru modes, which allow you to hear your surroundings or have a conversation without needing to remove the earbuds. The app also includes a Find My Buds feature, which makes the earbuds emit a loud sound to help you locate them when they go missing around the house, which is a real lifesaver. Regarding the audio quality, JBL maintains its standard, balanced mids and highs with more present bass. With the app's equalizer, you can highlight the bass even more if you prefer. In relation to the volume, it seems limited by software, but the good isolation compensates so that you can be well immersed in the music without needing the volume at maximum. Finally, a personal observation: the fit. For me, earbuds of this format are not ideal for physical activities as they tend to fall out. For stationary use or walking, they work perfectly. But if you're looking for an earbud for running, it might be better to test them first. In conclusion, the JBL Wave Buds 2 is, yes, much superior to its predecessor. If the price difference is not a problem, the investment in the new features, especially in noise cancellation, is well worth it. But if the budget is tight, the old version still delivers good quality for what it costs. Remember, if this video helped you and you decided to buy this earbud, please consider using my affiliate links, which are in the video description or in the first pinned comment. And you, what did you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. If you like the analysis, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. A hug, and until next time.